everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a different scenery. I'm in my living room of my apartment. So today's video, from the title as you can tell, I'm going to be trying on Kylie Jenner's outfits from Fashion Nova. So, you know, Fashion Nova pays Kylie Jenner about $1 million per post. So I'm like, let me see if these items are worth it. Let me see if they even cute. So before we get started, I actually want to put a little Audible plug up in here because your girl gotta eat somehow. Audible is actually a seller and producer of spoken audio entertainment. They actually sell digital audiobooks, and I love that. So while I'm working, editing, or something, I could also read or listen to a book at the exact same time. I used to not really like reading, but I noticed reading really does help you in a lot of different ways. It helps you with, even with your communication skills, all of that. So if you don't read, you should definitely read or get Audible. And you can do that by visiting audible.com/JasmineBrown, or even text Jasmine Brown to 500-500. You can actually get your first audiobook for free when you try Audible for 30 days. So one book that I have been very interested in reading is The End of the Perfect 10. This is by Deborah Myers. I absolutely love gymnastics, movies, and books and stuff, so that's why I'm reading this one. And you know I love gymnastics, so that's why I'm on that one. And next, I think I actually want to read the book Crazy Rich Asians, because I actually saw the movie, but I heard the book was better, so that's probably going to be up next. Yes. So if you want to check this out, don't forget, go to audible.com/JasmineBrown, or for anybody in the US, text Jasmine Brown to 500-500. And yeah, let me get back to my video. So I went ahead and went to fashionnova.com, non-sponsored. I bought this myself. Y'all, I actually saw a Fashion Nova plug-in sponsor in the new movie Night School with Kevin Hart and Tiffany Haddish. It was just like in the living room, and all of a sudden it pans to this Fashion Nova bag. And I was like, no they didn't. Fashion Nova, you got money. But they don't be paying influencers, so. But anyway, so I went ahead and bought this package. So I have all the pictures of Kylie Jenner wearing these outfits. So we're gonna see how cute they are, if they look cute on me, and all of that. I'm just gonna act like this is a mystery box, and I'm just gonna pick one, and that's the one we're going with first. So yeah, let's just go on digging and let's get started. Oh, bam. Okay. Outfit number one. So the first outfit I got, the first one that I picked out of the bag is this jumpsuit. It is off the shoulder, and it is all the way down to the legs, looking like Catwoman, basically. So I saw her wearing this with her little collaboration with Adidas. I got a size extra small, and this is $24.99. So let me go put this on, and let's see how it looks on. Okay, so here is the outfit on. This is actually really cute, and it's really comfortable. Surprisingly, the material's pretty good. Is it see-through? I actually don't think it's very see-through, which is surprising because, like, bodysuits that be like this, sometimes you can just see through them. And like when I bend my legs, it's flat. Cause you know how like leggings you can see, like it's see-through-ish, and you can see your skin a little bit. Yeah, it's not very see-through. This is pretty cool. I kind of like this. And then here is the picture of Kylie wearing this outfit. She's sitting down, but I'm standing up. I can sit down too. But yeah, I like this outfit. Like, normally I hate bodysuits, like all the way up. I feel like it just looks weird sometimes. But I'd actually probably wear this. Okay, next outfit is going to be... Oh wait, this isn't an outfit. I thought this was hilarious. I kind of want to put this on. Like, what the heck is this? I saw it and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get it because Kylie Jenner, you know Kylie Jenner got that booty. Maybe I'll put this on with a different outfit. Let's see what I got. But yeah, I'm gonna have to try this on. I want to see the difference. I'm gonna put it on with, I'm gonna put the outfit on with and without it to see what the heck this is about. I feel like this wouldn't even look good. Anyway, time to dig in the mystery bag again. Okay. Next up is this two-piece Wanderlust hoodie. It's a two-piece set. So Well, I think I messed up. And I meant to get the set. I thought it was the set, but I guess it's only the sweater. So I don't have the leg on. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this on over this. Sorry about that. Well, since I forgot to get the bottoms that match this is what I'm gonna be putting on right now. So please forgive me. I didn't even notice. I thought it came as a set. Most of their outfits come as a set. You don't ever have to add both to the cart. But whatever, Fashion Nova, whatever. So this is the gray little hoodie legging set that she was wearing. Obviously, I'm missing the bottoms, but here's the top. It's actually quite comfortable. I probably would have liked it, honestly. So I might get it, but I might not because I actually might not even wear it. So here's the top. Okay, next up is going to be this oatmeal Jacqueline off the shoulder mini dress. So this is the dress. It's off the shoulder and it's short and it's got buttons all the way down. I got a size small and this is $27.99. So let me go put this on and let's see how it fits. Okay, so this is the oatmeal dress. It actually fits really cute. It's actually really comfortable. And because it's like a sweater-like material, it even has like a second layer underneath it, so it's not see-through. So that's good. Normally, like when I wear dresses and stuff like this, I always have to do like the butt check. Like, can you see my underwear or can you not? So yeah, this is pretty cute. I like the color. This is what it looks like. Oh, I like, this is like a pretty good like fall kind of dress, so that's nice. So this is Kylie wearing it, and then this is me wearing it. Bam, 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 bam. So yeah, I actually like this. It's pretty cute, pretty cute. Ooh, I'm ashy. Ooh, let's hide that. Oh, I should put on the butt thing with this dress. Yeah. So let's get a before. So this is before. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on. Let's see what this butt lifter does. Such a weird, oh, this is so weird. It literally got butt cheeks cut out the back. For why? Like, my butt cheeks really gonna fit in that? This is itty bitty. I know I got a small butt, but like that's itty bitty. Okay, she back. So this is with it on. That's so funny. It literally tightens your leg right there. What the heck? Oh my god. I thought this looks like unnatural. But like, why does it literally give me big butt cheeks? Move it down a little or something? Hold up. Catch me wearing this every day. I'm just kidding. No, this is kind of weird. What the heck? Y'all. What is that? Hold up, I need to go look in a real mirror. I'll be back. I'm confused. What? Y'all, I'm kind of shocked. Like, I thought that looked fake. But, like, that's so weird. What the heck? This is what y'all girls be wearing. This is what y'all be wearing on Instagram. That's why y'all booties look so, like, big. Like, what the heck? Look at that. Now that's weird. Whoa. It literally gathered all my butts and put it in the middles. Wow. Oh my god, I look like I got a butt implant. Okay, I'm back. I'm convinced these are some hoodoo shiznids. This right here, what the heck? Now I'm about to see everybody with big booties because I posted this. Wow. Get those away from me. Anyway, enough about the butts. Okay, what's next? Next up is a, let's see. Oh yeah, this little black shorts, jumpsuit sleeveless set that she was wearing. Yeah, now I'm gonna go put this on. This I actually got a size small and it was $17.99. Okay, so this is actually really comfortable. What the heck, it's so soft and it's good material. It's like spandexy but like also cottony. I don't know what material it is, but it's quite nice. And it fits good. It's actually like really comfortable. Like, I'd wear this. I'd wear it. Like, this is cute. Waist look, snatch. Body look, great. Booty on, bonk, bonk. So this is me wearing it, and then here's Kylie wearing this Fashion Nova outfit in that Fashion Nova fit. What's next? I think there's one more. Yep. And this is the infamous white dress that Kylie was wearing when people thought she was pregnant. Do y'all remember? This is the dress right here. It's a really low V-neck and then long sleeve. I got a size small and this dress is $32.99. Let me go put it on. Let's see how it actually looks on. Y'all, this dress is actually so cute. Like, what the heck? It fits so good. Like, I would actually go out and wear this out. I just need to iron it. And I got a small, and I was actually thinking about getting an extra small because I wanted to fit tight. But this is a small, and it fits good. It fits tight on my arms, tight around the waist. It's not falling off on my shoulders. And you know how like deep V-necks fall off your shoulders a lot? This isn't at all. Wow. This dress is nice. So here's me in the dress, and then here's Kylie wearing the same dress when everybody thought she was pregnant. They're like, oh, does she have a belly in it? But I don't know. I mean, she could have had a belly in it, but because she did have a baby. Anyway, this is the dress. It's so nice. Material's nice. I like this a lot. Like, look. I look like business, but sassy. You know? Whoa, I like this little slit. Like, it's like no slit, bam slit. No slit, bam slit. Like, what the? Oh, anyway, sorry. Find me wearing this at the next event I go to. Skirt, skirt. Wow, y'all. Why did I like everything? I just gave Fashion Nova a free promo. Not like they pay anyway, so. But this video was super fun to make. I've never actually made a video like this, but I actually really enjoyed this. I just bought the stuff online, waited for it to come, and now that it's here, bam, video. Actually, I might do more videos like this. Y'all let me know what ideas you got in the description box. No, in the comments below. Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both Jasmine. And yeah, so see ya in my next video. Bye. Ooh, girl, you look good.